You laying all seductive. Ooh, that was gross. I just ruined it.
The kids are disco dancing, they're trying to rock and roll. Don't bother telling them that drum machine ain't got no soul. The kids are disco dancing, they're trying to rock and roll. Don't bother telling them that drum machine ain't got no soul.
Well, I'm home and watching Parenthood.
What do you do? I mean, what does that mean? You get a real estate person, they show you around, is that it?
Yeah, that's how it works.
So I think the Walmart is finished. Look at that. Look at that. Mom. It's not the coolest thing ever. It's been like months since I've been here. And it's the coolest thing ever.
We finished it for you.
Oh yeah, this is my first vlog for today. I just realized that. Well, I went from school to therapy, and then I went to the Apple store, which I forgot to film there, but I wanted to. And I tried out the new iPads, and I really liked them. And for some reason, like the smaller bezel around the screen, it makes the screen look bigger, but it's like light. My iPad's heavy as hell. That thing is light. Don't you think, Mama?
Mm-hmm. Hence the word air.
Yeah, hence the word air. It's like, you know how like between the 4S and the 5 there's that huge like lightness. The 5, it's like even bigger of a difference than that. But yeah, at the Walmart, amazingly cool. Holy balls! I didn't think it could be this cool. It's got like a full Subway and stuff.
Ooh, you can get fried chicken for dinner.
I want fried chicken. Once again, like holy balls! It like goes all the way down in there and stuff. It's like really huge. I don't know. I can't get over myself. It's like awesome. Mom, you know what this means?
What?
No more ShopRite.
Yes.
Hate that place. Burning passion. Ugh. I hate it almost. Either as I'd say as much as Raquel's dad hates it. I really do. I hate it a lot. Really, yeah. He does go there a lot, but it's not like there's much choice.
My mom made chicken, and I made soup, and she had a turkey thing earlier. We're hanging out and stuffing our faces, food and things. Kayla to the rescue. I called Kayla crying, and then she came and kept me company. It's a very bad day. I got the vlog up. Did you all enjoy Linda scaring people? It keeps cracking me up. I watched it 100 times. Loser! Little brat. Bow chicka wow. You laying all seductive. Ooh, that was gross. I just ruined it. Trump's like, ew. Way to ruin it.
I like burping.
You burp all the time.
I know.
But yeah, Kayla was the only one that answered.
Damn it, I was about to burp again.
Kayla was the only one that answered my sobbing phone call.
Hold on.
Hold on. We're eating lots of junk and going through a heartbreak.
Burp again. Wait. Okay, it's coming.
There's an M&M that I just pulled out of my shirt and put in my mouth. That's what kind of night this is. It went down my shirt, I pulled it out and put it in my mouth. I don't even care. I'm so sad and like just heartbroken, so you'll have to excuse me. Me and Kayla are watching videos that are privated on Facebook of us from like 2010. We just watched one of us dancing, that was really great.
Notice the turtleneck. Notice the hair. It makes no difference. Oh no.
Rather interesting. Stop hiding yourself.
I'm so ugly.
You good?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure because I didn't hit beat. We are making late night baby snacks. Pizza rolls. It's almost midnight and I'm really tired, but I don't care. We're gonna make food. Can you freaking focus?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna make food and we got pizza rolls.
Wait.
And Kayla's being selfish currently.
Pierce.
But yeah, we're making pizza rolls as a midnight movie snack, and I'll be asleep within like 5 minutes starting this movie. But alright, you're off duty, vlogger.
Wait. Chop.
It would be funny if I burned myself, but okay.
Stop moving your head. Chop.
You chopping me?
Oh. Burp.
Fresh Prince is on! I haven't seen the show on in forever! Oh, it's so cool! I love the show, it makes me so happy. Kayla's got a dog sleeping party going on down there.
So not comfy.
Well, I guess that's it for us today then. And I love you all, and I will hopefully see you all tomorrow. No. I will hopefully see you all tomorrow. I love you all, and good night. Good night, Sammy. Look how cute he is under the blankie. Samson.
I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah. Nothing else for me to say, really. As always, I will see you on the next one. Good night, goodbye, and so.